Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite girl, A.Maree, coming to you with a new video. You guys, I am like super excited because I finally got my Boxycharm. I'm here to unbox with you guys, talk to you guys about what all Boxycharm is. You guys know that Boxycharm is $21 a month, and they also have a Boxy Luxe that's I believe $50 every 3 months. Not every month. Every 3 months. I will have all that information as well as Boxycharm website link down below. Y'all could go and sign up, get in on the Boxycharm. I am super excited to see what Boxy Luxe has coming for us. Oh, you guys know I'm always a month behind because I get my Boxycharms at the end of the month. So instead of trying to hurry up and film it and put it up before the month is over, I just go ahead and roll it over to the next month and be a part of the beginning of the month videos. Okay, let go. All right, you guys, I'm super excited. Okay, I did cut it open and I already see something that I've been hoping that I got. So my box is looking like this. The maze card is called Make Waves, and of course it has everything on the back. And you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it out there. I got the Glam Glow Holographic Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. You guys, I'm super excited for this. Okay, it says gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but it effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. All skin types approved, and this damn thing is worth $28. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at it. It's so pretty. One thing I can say about Glam Glow, no matter how much the price is, their products really freaking work. I have been getting Glam Glow in samples from Sephora. I also bought a few detoxing masks and all that daily cleansing stuff, and I still have one that I am using to this day, and I haven't had any breakouts or anything. Like, my skin has been looking the best that it's ever been looking here on the journey of YouTube, and that's all thanks to a concoction mixed with Glam Glow. So I am super excited about this bottle. I'm not gonna open this bottle until I finish that bottle, because I know if I move on I won't go back to it. So you guys, I'm super excited to get this. I can't wait. Y'all know I'm gonna test it out at least one time, so I'm super excited. Girl, didn't it say hello sexy on the thing? Look at this, y'all. Look at that. I don't even know if y'all can see that. Now the next thing is this. Oh, what is this? Ciate London Eye Lustrous Cream Eyeshadow. I seen somebody get this. This is a metallic eyeshadow and it's in Cupid. I like the packaging. Y'all know I'm kind of a sucker for the packaging. I seen somebody get this, but I can't remember who. Ooh, it's kind of pretty. Kathleen Lights, that's who I seen. This is a pretty purple champagne-y color, and almost everybody is doing these. Every brand that I've been on the bandwagon with and been looking at has been making these. New Ciate London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting shimmery eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittery liquid shadow can be swiped on for a full coverage luster, blended out for a sheer sparkle, or applied all over the eyes as a topper. And this thing retails for $22. Ciate London is getting up there. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Alright, that's very pretty. Ooh, it has like reflex of gold and purple in it. I don't know if that's playing off on camera to you guys, but that is very freaking pretty. That's pretty. That's something that I really would try, because I see the purple and the gold and silver. Like, I really see all the colors in that. And you guys know I am a fan of the Stila eyeshadow toppers. I forgot what they're called. But y'all know I'm a Kitten Karma freak when it comes down to those things. So I am gonna try that out. I'm super excited about that. Luna by Luna and Venus. What is this? Luna by Luna Cosmetics. I don't know what this is. Packaging looks like this. Sleek blue packaging. Nothing to be hyped about and keep. Okay, this is a lip gloss in Venus. Why couldn't it be a liquid lipstick? This would be so pretty. That's pretty, but I love liquid lipsticks. Oh, it smells like cupcakes. So let's see. You guys, I'm getting used to the monitor. My phone is my monitor. We started off, we were so cool. Baby girl. Y'all, that's my song. But I like that. That's a pretty color. I don't think I won't pop that on my lips right now, but I think that's something to, you know, top your lips off with. It's nothing like that I'm be like, oh damn, wow, I need that. It ain't like that. I think it's pretty. And it says prepare for an expertly pigmented lip gloss that delivers high shine with long lasting color while delivering the look of fuller lips. This non-sticky gloss formula applies on smoothly and won't drip. I don't know what that means, but this was $18, and I don't think that that would be something I would run out and get. Now, we do have an eyelash curler in here, and I like that the eyelash curler matches the Glam Glow ordeal right here. They are both rainbow, and you guys know the rainbow in me. Y'all know I am LGBT. Like, y'all know I'm a part of the clique, baby. And I think this is cute, but I don't really use eyelash curlers like that, but maybe I will. Let's see, the eyelash curler. Oh, these are by Pure. I didn't even realize that. Okay, these are by Pure Cosmetics, and it's the Pro Eyelash Curler. You're about to take your lashes to new lengths, literally. Prep lashes for a coat of your favorite mascara with your new Pure Eyelash Curler. Instantly perk up each individual lash for a look you will love. And this thing is $18 too. And then the last item that I got, I'm excited. This is the Colorette Blush Trio by A.Maree Cosmetics. And you guys, A.Maree Cosmetics, I don't know who they are, where they came from, but Boxycharm needs to keep bringing them, okay? Because the A.Maree Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes that BH Cosmetics, that Boxycharm has given us, oh, I love that palette. So I'm excited. Ooh, I'm excited about these blushes. Is this like, hold on, let me see. Thank you, Boxycharm. High five. Thank you for listening. I don't know if you watched my last video when I got that Cover FX palette thing, and it ain't even my skin tone. This one came in dark rich. Okay, I'm excited about that. So the shades is Deserted, Oasis, and Candela. Candela, I think that's how you say it. Oh, these are so good. I really hold on, you guys. I'm probably about to be doing a little too much, but I am dying to see what this shade looks like. This one right here. And that one's Deserted. It looks like it punches a pack. I never really had like an orange blush before. Ooh. Oh Lord, y'all see that? Can y'all tell the difference in that? Because I can. I've been all about spring today. Like, I've been all about the springy colors, and this blush just did it for my look. Like, it just added that orangey peachy to it. Like, oh. Okay, now I want to swatch them for you guys. This purple one even looks pretty, as well as the darker shade one. So here's the three colors. Oh, those are the perfect shade for my skin tone. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I'm super excited about this. And it has a bomb ass mirror on it. Y'all, I'm excited about this. Okay. So the A.Maree Colorette Blush Trio. Get your blush on with your new A.Maree Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery smooth correct, high pigmented correct, completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed, what I told y'all, sun-kissed. Look. It's a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays, whatever that means. But you guys, this shit is it. And this retails for $22. I would pay $22 for this. I'm gonna see how this wears, but I would pay $22 for this. And it's pretty. It matches the wave concept of make waves for the month of Boxycharm. I'm super freaking excited about this one. So that is it, you guys. We got 5 full-size products this month for the month of May, and 3 things out of the 5 I'm super excited to try, which is the A.Maree blushes, the Glam Glow, and the Ciate's eye shimmer. I just love the rainbow stuff, and it's holographic. I am here for it. So you guys, I'm super excited to play in this stuff. Like, I'm super excited to see what I can come up with, how it looks, how it wears, and how it actually feels. I don't know if anything would become a part of favorites, but this one right here just may. Like, seriously. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did get Boxycharm this month, let me know down below in the comments what you got and what you didn't like. And that's just something I want to keep running the comments up about and having conversations about. But until next time, you guys, be looking for me on all my other social media links. I do be on Instagram and Snapchat a lot more nowadays, as well as check out the community tab here on YouTube, because I'm always trying to communicate with you guys there. And that is my cue to get up out of here because my camera is dying. So I love you all, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.